And I think I'm gonna start a series right now. I have this Monster Legend I've been playing, and I wanna restart the game. If you guys don't like the video, well, I'll restart it if you want, or I'll play another game that you guys play with me. If you guys like the video, I'll make more of this and keep going with what I already have. And if you don't like it and you want me to restart the game, I will.